Want to check your hard drive or SSD without installing extra software? Command Prompt has several built-in commands for viewing disks, partitions, file systems, and drive health information. In this guide, I'll show you the most useful CMD commands for checking your disk safely. Start with a quick overview using WMIC if it's available on your Windows installation. Type WMIC DISK DRIVE model, size, status, and press Enter. This can display the drive model, capacity, and reported status. On newer Windows versions, WMIC may not be installed, so use the next methods if this command isn't recognized. For a more detailed view of your disks and partitions, use diskpart. Type DISKPART, then enter list disk. You'll see the disks connected to your computer, along with their sizes and status. You can also type list volume to see the available volumes and drive letters. To check information about a particular drive, you can use FSUTIL, FSINFO, VOLUMENFO:. This displays details about the file system and volume. Replace the C with another drive letter if needed. This is especially useful when you want information about a specific partition. For a quick look at available space, use the dir command. Type dir:, and look at the free space shown at the bottom of the results. You can also use FSUTIL volume DISKFREC: to display the total and available space in bytes. Yeah, this is handy when you're checking why a drive is running low. To check a drive for file system errors, use CHKDSK without repair options. For example, CHKDSK:. This scans the file system and reports problems it finds. If you only want information, don't add repair options such as /F unless you're ready to perform a repair. For basic drive health information, you can try WMIC DISKDRIVE status if WMIC is available. A status such as OK can be useful as a quick check, but it isn't a complete SSD or hard drive health test. For serious storage problems, use your drive manufacturer's diagnostic software. And that's how to check disk information using CMD. Use diskpart for disks and volumes, FSUTIL for file system and space details, CHKDSK for file system checks, and WMIC only if it's available on your system. Be careful with diskpart because some commands can modify or erase partitions, so check information first and only make changes when you're certain.